Hello everyone, this is Cody with BasecampTrading.com. Just want to make a video to go over Dutch Bros here on the weekly chart. I'm looking for a weekly bull flag for next week. We have a bottoming tail today. Momentum still bullish. And we're looking for a break of this week's high for next week, which will trigger the weekly bull flag. So a break above 69.39. So right here, 69.39. If we get above that next week, that'll trigger the weekly bull flag, suggesting higher prices. The first target resistance area would be up here, this previous pivot up at 74. So that's about almost $5, maybe $4.50, somewhere in that range, up to here. So I'm watching for that move next week. I like the bottoming tail today, or this week. So we'll see if we get it next week. But if you like this kind of content and you want to check out our trading room, we do offer a $7 1-month access. You can get that if you email support@basecamptrading.com. But keep an eye on Dutch Bros for the bull flag for next week. But until next time, take care.